Top 5 meal prep hacks for busy, active people.
Struggling to balance workouts, work, and healthy eating? Welcome! Discover meal prep hacks designed to save you time while keeping your nutrition on track. With these strategies, you'll fuel your active lifestyle without spending hours in the kitchen. Let's dive into 5 practical tips that will help you eat well, stay energized, and reach your fitness goals.
Batch cooking for efficiency.
Prepare multiple servings at once. Batch cooking grains, proteins, and vegetables means less time spent cooking during the week. Choose 1 or 2 proteins, a few veggies, and a grain like rice or quinoa. Store in separate containers to mix and match meals quickly. This approach saves time, reduces cleanup, and ensures you always have healthy options ready.
Use pre-cut and frozen ingredients.
Reduce prep time with smart shortcuts. Purchase pre-cut vegetables, salad mixes, and frozen fruits or veggies. These are just as nutritious and make assembling meals much faster. Use them in stir-fries, smoothies, or salads for convenient, time-saving nutrition. Ideal for busy days or post-workout meals when you need something quick.
Invest in quality containers.
Organize with meal-size containers. Using stackable, leak-proof containers can make grab-and-go meals a breeze. Pre-portion your meals or snacks for the week. This helps control serving sizes, keeps your fridge organized, and allows you to quickly pack a healthy meal for work, gym, or on the go.
Plan simple, versatile recipes.
Keep recipes easy and flexible. Focus on meals that use shared ingredients and are easy to switch up with spices or sauces, like grain bowls, wraps, or salads. This keeps meal prep interesting without extra effort. Write a weekly menu and shopping list in advance to avoid last-minute choices and keep your nutrition consistent.
Prep snacks for on-the-go energy.
Stay fueled between meals. Prepare healthy snacks like hard-boiled eggs, Greek yogurt, portion nuts, or energy bites. Store them in small containers so you can quickly grab an energizing snack before or after workouts. This helps curb cravings and supports your active routine throughout the week.
Stay consistent for lasting results.
Consistency is key for busy, active people. Setting aside time once or twice a week to prep meals and snacks can revolutionize your routine. By making meal prep a habit, you'll save time, eat healthier, and keep your energy high, helping you crush your workouts and stay on top of a busy schedule.